Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find USDC wallet address on HTX. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your HTX application. Once you have logged into your HTX account, you need to click on assets at the bottom right corner. Now after that, you need to select deposit option. From this list of currencies in the search bar, you need to simply search for USDC and select the USDC coin. Now you need to choose a network, so you can simply choose any of these network, but in this video I will be choosing TRC20 network, and always make sure to select same network on the opposite side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Click on this network and click on OK. Now here you can see your USDC wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDC wallet address on HTX. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto